Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove Python specific version. If we have more than one version Python installed in our PC, we can uninstall the others by doing this. First, we have to know how many Python installed. We can open cmd or command prompt, and then we can start doing this py and min-h. This is for help. We can use this py and min 0, not O, but this is 0. Py and minus 0. Enter. Then we can see in my computer I have two versions of Python, 3.12 and then 3.11. I will uninstall the 3.11. I simply just go to control panel and then uninstall program, and then I search for Python 3.11. I will install it, and then uninstall was successful. Close. Then we can check again. Y and minus 0. We only have one Python version. We can also see in this, but I think it is safer if we check in this command prompt. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day.